Welcome to Jenny's house. This home tour is to inspire you to decorate in neutral colors. Utilizing cohesive and complementary color schemes, a magazine-worthy cottage living room often features a carefully curated color palette that is both visually appealing and harmonious. This could involve sticking to a monochromatic theme, incorporating pastel tones, or using contrasting colors in a tasteful manner. Cozy and inviting furniture arrangements. The furniture in a cottage dining room should be arranged in a way that creates a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. This might involve grouping seating around a focal point like a fireplace or large window, ensuring that there is ample space for comfortable lounging and conversation. Thoughtful decor and accessories. A well-styled cottage kitchen will feature carefully selected decor and accessories that enhance the overall aesthetic of the space. This could include vases with seasonal flower arrangements, artwork, candles, and other items that add personality and charm to the room. Natural elements. Incorporating natural elements like wood, stone, and plants can add warmth and texture to a cottage bathroom, creating a rustic and inviting atmosphere. Consider incorporating these elements through furniture, accent pieces, or decor items to elevate the space. Attention to detail. Paying attention to the small details can make a big difference in achieving a magazine-worthy look. This might involve neatly arranging books on a nightstand, fluffing up pillows, ensuring that curtains are properly hung, and overall cleanliness and organization in the space. By paying attention to these key elements, you can create a cottage home that looks like it belongs in a magazine photo.